Hello everyone and welcome back to Izhar Digital Academy. In this video, we will do a complete overview of the WordPress dashboard. If you're watching this series from start, then we have already created our free hosting subdomain and installed WordPress successfully. Now today, we will learn how WordPress works from inside. To learn everything about WordPress dashboard, at first we need to log in WordPress. To open your WordPress login page, go to your browser and type your domain name /wp-admin. Your domain name /wp-admin. Since my domain name is businesstrap.free.nf, so I will type businesstrap.free.nf/wp-admin and press enter button. Now the login screen will appear. You will have to enter your email ID or username here. So my email ID is gmail.com and password. Then click on login. Now you are inside your WordPress dashboard, the main control panel of your website. This is the dashboard of your website. Let's try to understand each menu item on the left side one by one. The first one is dashboard. Here you will find WordPress updates, quick draft and general information. Second one is post. This section is for writing and publishing blog posts. You can also add categories and tags. You can also edit your published post. Third one is media. All images, videos and files you upload are stored here. You can also upload image video from here. Pages. You can create pages here like home, about us, contact us, services, privacy policy. Next one is comment. All visitor comments appear here for approval or delete. Appearance. This is where website design happens. Through appearance, you can change theme, customize layout and colors, edit menus, manage widgets, plugins. Plugins add extra features to your site like contact us form, SEO tool, page builder, security. So all the plugins you can add, all the extra features you can add from here. We will install important plugins in the upcoming video. Users, you can add new users or give admin editor access to others. Tools, tool for import, export and other advanced options. Setting, this is one of the most important section of WordPress. You can change site name, tagline, time zone, permalink, site structure, reading and writing. We will configure this property in the next video. So in this video, we learn what is WordPress dashboard, complete menu overview, important settings for the beginner. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Izhar Digital Academy.